Hello, my name is Michael, and today we'll be showing you how to get your Allied cameras back online. So with that being said, let's get started. The first step is locating the devices. First, you'll want to take a look at your Allied DVR. You will see three LEDs on the front: Run, Net, and HD. The first LED, Run, must be lit to continue. This indicates the device has power. Next, you will find the gray Ethernet cable plugged into the back of the DVR. Following that Ethernet cable should lead you to one of two things: either your internet modem or a TP-Link. The TP-Link is a small white box with two antennas on it. Step 2. Establish or re-establish internet connection. If your Ethernet cable was plugged directly into the modem and not a TP-Link, you can skip this step. Once you find the TP-Link, you should see either one or two blue lights. If there is one light, simply unplug it from the outlet, wait 10 seconds, plug it back in, then wait 1 minute. Once the TP-Link is done power cycling, you should see two blue lights. If you still don't see two blue lights, press the WPS button on the TP-Link, followed by the WPS button on the internet modem. Then wait for two blue lights. Step 3. Power cycle your DVR. Look at the back of your DVR. You will see a power cord. Simply unplug it, then plug it back in. The reboot process takes roughly 45 seconds. After 45 seconds, check the Allied Video Link app to see if your cameras are back online. If your cameras have come back online, you're all set. If not, we'll need to check the settings in the DVR menu with a monitor. Step 4. Reconnect your DVR to the cloud. Hook up your DVR to a nearby TV or monitor if you haven't done so already, along with the included mouse. So now right-click anywhere on the screen, then click Menu from the drop-down. On the left-hand side, click Network. Under Basic, click the Enable DHCP box. At the top of the screen, select P2P. Click the Enable P2P box, then hit Apply. Step 5. Verify. At this point, your device should read as online. But if after these steps your cameras still aren't connected to the internet, give us a call and we'll walk you through some more advanced settings in your Allied DVR. Our phone number is 866-255-4338.